Hi, my name is Miss Hood, and I'm a teacher here at RSMA. And right now, we are working on recycled art, upcycling. It's all focused on motion and circular and cylinders and spheres. The kids are creating these amazing little worlds.
Hi, my name is Luna Saleh. This program is important to me because it helped me when I was younger and in middle school to achieve my dream, which is to go into art and design. I really wanted to help other students that like myself have the dream to go to art and design or to even another type of art school. Each piece that everybody has like individually made was something personal. They've had their own creativity to it, and that's what I like about each thing. And that they're colorful. I really like colors, so the fact that they all have their own preferences of colors or even just a mix is also something that tends to draw me to each one of these.
My name is Gianna Everett. What I'm working on here today is a scene from Coco, the movie. I'm using red, orange, and yellow colors.
My name is Amir Nickens. I'm an 8th grader at RSMA. My inspiration for what I did was Astro Boy. And it was this part in the movie which I really liked, which was this junkyard scene. And I wanted to recreate that in my project.
I created a garden. That's a yo-yo. And it's the pollen. It reminds me of my mom's friend's garden. My name is Elizabeth, and I'm doing my water park. This took me 2 days to do this one. This is like for adults, and I'm doing like a pool, and then they can climb here and then do a pool party.